VP Online AI Mind Map Generator allows you to quickly brainstorm your ideas. In VP Online, log into your workspace. Select Create with AI Mind Map to open the AI Mind Map Generator. Write a description of the mind map you want to generate, then press the Generate Mind Map button. A mind map will be generated below. By adding more details to the description, the content of the mind map will adjust accordingly. To edit the mind map, press the View or Edit Mind Map button. Other than the text content, you can also customize the design by changing the theme of the mind map or settings like node padding. When finished, export the mind map in a format that meets your requirements. You can also save it to your workspace, allowing you to reopen and edit it at any time.